Hello viewers, in this video we'll see how we can generate animated plots in MATLAB. Animated plots can really be useful while you are representing multiple signals or signals with phase difference, or you have any presentation to present your signals in a better way. So let's see how we can generate animated signals in MATLAB. First, we are clearing any previous variables and then clearing the command window. And after that, we have taken a variable x with the linspace of 500 data points, and we will be generating the sine function in the range 0 to 4 pi, so 0 to 720 degree. Okay, now we're taking three signals. First one is sine x, another one is minus 60 degree, sine x minus 60 degree, and another one is sine x plus 60 degree. After that, we have to create three objects from the animated line, three animated line objects. Uh, Here you can define the color, the line style, and the line width. Okay. After that, if you want, you can set the x limit and turn the box on. And now we have to create a cell object for grabbing the frames from the animated plots. And now we have to run a loop that will be in the range of the length of the x. That means it will run for total 500 data points. And now we have to add each of the data point to the animated lines, and first the x will go and after that the y. We have to do it for all the signals, how many signals you have depending on that, and after that we have to draw that. And now we are grabbing each of the frames into our frame cell object. Now we have to create another object of the video writer, and here you have to specify the name of the video output. You can also change the format of the video and some other parameters. You can find this in MATLAB documentation of the video writer object. And we have to set the quality of the video. This is maximum 100, ranging in 0 to 100 range. And here you have to specify the frame rate. Depending on the frame rate, the video will be the faster or slower. So we have to change it according to your requirement. And after that, we have to open the object, and for each of the frames or length of the x variable, we have to write each of the frames from the frame object into the video writer object, and at the end we have to close that object. Okay, so now let's run this program. Okay, we see lines started appearing. Just keep in one thing in mind, that don't maximize this plot while you are creating the video file, or it will generate an error, because in that case the size of the frame will be the size of this window. So try to keep it in the default format, and we have to wait until the command window appears here, or we see there is no busy option in here. Okay, so it's done. As you can see, a video has appeared in our directory called the signals.avi. Okay, now let's open it. So here is our video, and if we play it, you can see the output. The length of the video depends on the frame rate, how many frames you are writing per second. Okay, so that is all for today. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and share the video if you liked. Thanks for watching.